What's up, guys, and welcome to the show. So today I'm going to do a review video on this. I'm not too sure how to exactly pronounce this name. I believe it's like Zeizz, I guess, lens cleaner. Now you buy this in a kit which comes with this, which is the refill for this. So you get that. You also get 10 of these wipes, which come in a 2-pack, so it's about 20 wipes. You also get 2 cleaning cloths, and you get a eyeglass repair kit. Now this stuff is awesome for really any types of lens, camera lens, eyeglasses, binoculars. I cleaned my phone screen with this, and it's amazing. I've tried every type of glass cleaner out there for my glasses. I've tried Windex, I've tried this spray gel stuff. I've tried so much that people say is really good and is the best and this and that, but this stuff, even my cat likes it, so you can't go wrong with that. This stuff is the best for sure. Now my glasses, as you could tell, they always get kind of gummed up, and they always kind of get smudgy, and they always get like really dirty pretty fast and everything. And I've tried so many different cleaners, and some have worked really well, but I was really very surprised at how this stuff actually really worked. I couldn't believe it worked as well as it actually did. I definitely give it a 10 out of 10. For the spray, I'll actually show you guys right now. You just use one spray, and it really covers your lenses really very well. You have, I carry one of these in my pocket. Like, look how amazing this stuff is. This stuff works so well. It's just so good. Like, if you're an eyeglass wearer, you're probably like me, and you've been searching for that perfect cleaner, that perfect shine. Like, this stuff works just so well. Like, look at that. It's so amazing. Like, how well this stuff works. I was blown away when I first saw it, because it smells like Windex. So when I first tried it, I was like, oh, it's gonna be like Windex and whatnot, but no, it smells like Windex, but it's actually way better than Windex. It's really good. As far as lens cleaner are concerned, I give this a perfect 10 out of 10. I like the fact that you could buy it in a kit and you get this refill. The refill is a 240 milliliter bottle. The actual lens cleaner spray is a 60 milliliter bottle. These I love. These are now part of my EDC since I got this. I put a couple wipes. I put a cloth in my pocket, and whenever you're out, if you're out, like if you're like me, you get smudges on your glasses when you're out and about doing stuff, and I always have to wait till I get home to actually clean my glasses. Now I have these. You get 20 of them, you get 10 two together, so turns out to be 20 individual, which is really good. I've not yet to try these yet, but I'm definitely very excited for the moment when it comes that I do get to try these, because I'm wondering how well these actually work. If they work anything like the spray, I'm going to be really pleasantly surprised. But this is your solution if you're like me and you're constantly looking for a good eyeglass cleaner. This is the cleaner to go with. Zeizz, I guess, is how you pronounce it. It's really good. The package comes with this 2 cleaners, or 2 cleaning cloths, and a lens repair kit, and I believe it's relatively inexpensive for what you get. I believe you could probably find it online anywhere, so definitely go check it out. Like I said, this is the best stuff out there, hands down, for sure. Definitely go check it out, and you will be pleasantly surprised. Totally obsessed with this stuff right now. But yeah, definitely go check it out. It's friendly as well. So you could use it on your glasses. It's friendly to use on your phone, your, like I said, your camera lenses. It's really friendly to use on everything. I know certain types of chemicals like Windex, that whole thing is a little harsh on certain lenses. You don't want to use on certain lenses, but this stuff is like safe for all lenses, which is why I really like it. One of the reasons anyway. But anyway, guys, that's the vid. I can't say enough good stuff about this. Check it out. But that's the video for you guys today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, you know very much, and I will check you in the next video.